The key value of AR18 and AR35 is to bring along the hassle-free installation and alignment process. And here is how. Position the mounting plate or standoff module to the motor base. Use the Broadcom recommended radial alignment jig to fix the radial position of the mounting plate. With the radial alignment jig in place, fasten the screw of the mounting plate and fix the position. Remove the radial alignment jig and insert the code wheel hub assembly onto the motor shaft. With the help of the Broadcom recommended high setting, jig set the correct height for the code wheel. Fasten the set screw with the recommended torque. Place the printed circuit board with the encoder assembly onto the mounting plate. Fasten the PCB mounting screw. Connect the cable connector to the PCB and you're all set. With Broadcom's electronic face calibration set, select the program to encode a calibration mode. Rotate the motor at a constant speed of 60 RPM. Click Start on the encoder calibration dialog box. The calibration shows complete in 2 to 3 minutes' time. Upon completion, the calibration pass message will appear in the dialog box. The phase calibration process is completed.